A little rushed. Oh, but it goes in! It is a tie game. Far side. Whoa, nice hops. Oops, still off. Grab it, Luther. Nice. Careful. I know what you're thinking. Use the screens. Swing it around, swing it around, swing it around. Oh, nice, nice. Stop! Stop! What? Come on, let's get the lead. Let's go, David. Let's go, David. Nice. And that gives us the lead. Far side, far side. Good D. Go Jonas!
Wednesday Jonas!
Wednesday Jonas showing up on Monday. Watch his corners, Chris! Watch corner, Chris! That was a corner. We only got 3, they got 2. Good D, good D. Don't leave your feet. Oh, short. It's out. Shoot it, shoot it. Oh. You got David in the corner. Take it, take it. Yeah! What the heck I'm talking about. 3-point game, we're ahead. Right there at the line. Get him right there at the line. Oh, a little pick up there. Oh! Get under there, Edwin. Oh! Oh! Good D, guys. There's a block party over here. You guys are picking up the ball before you know where the heck you're gonna go. Nice, nice. It is still a 3-point our lead. Oh, 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 oh! No, 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 no. Shit. Tie game. You guys should do a time. Edwin. Oh, it's Chris Scott. Oh, nice.